2 of Beanie Boo Tornado. What? A tornado? Oh no! Ah! Kids, I've been never telling you this. When your mother died by that tornado last year, hey, Frostmies? Yeah, Dad? Can you go this way? Oh, yeah, sure. Oh, you guys just all cut away. Well, I haven't showed you guys, but come this way. Whoa, that's what it looks like inside. Awesome. Yes, this is the basement. Come on, guys. Go in. Dad, one sec. Come on, guys. Wait for me. We need to lock this door. Oh, Daddy will lock it. Woo! Wait for me. Wait for me, Dad. Wait for me. I don't want to get killed by the tornado. Cool basement. I never know what's inside, but Daddy opened it. Yeah. I wonder what it looks like. Okay, just come on. Oops. Kids, are you guys safe in here? Yep, Dad. Yeah, Dad. Yep.
Let me see your shirt.
Okay, good. Okay, kids. Be tight. This tornado might be too dangerous outside. And make sure you guys don't call your friends. Oh, sorry, kids. It's okay, Dad. Yeah, Daddy, it's okay. Oops. Oh, I'm tired. I'm sleeping. Banana. Me too, Daddy. Me sleeping. Yeah, me too. You guys take some rest, okay? Okay, Dad, I want to stay with you. Guess I'll be sleeping last one. Are you guys okay sleeping? Son, I think you should be getting rest too. Nope, Dad, I'm staying with you. I love you, Dad. I guess okay. Son, Dad and son. Guys, come this way. Do you want to see part 3? If you guys want to see there's going to be a part 3, so yeah. Bye, guys.